everyone. It's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're making a little treats, and my great grandson and I are going to do one of the treats.
Hello.
This is JD. Remember? Now we're going to make Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And we're going to make a turkey. And let me tell you what we have. We have Oreo cookies. Okay.
We have candy corn, M&M's, Rolos, and candy eyeballs.
Yeah, this is just, you can get these anywhere you get little candy and dessert things,
Yeah.
So, and the first thing we're going to do is we break the Oreos in two, and on top of each Oreo, we're going to put a Rolo. Like this. This will be the turkey head. Move it down just a little bit so we can get the corn on the back for the feathers. Yep. Well, not like that. Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Okay, that's that.
Yep. I'm going to stick this in the oven just till we get the Rolos. I've got them 350. Now we're getting, I got them out of the oven. I'm going to smash them a little bit. I think it maybe took 60 seconds. Okay. Now, you can start putting the feathers on it behind. Put 4. Just put 4.
Bye-bye, candy corn.
Just start on answering the trash. It'll be fine. Okay, start your feathers before it gets hard. Please, right there. How's mine?
Ooh, that's perfecto.
Well, not really, but you can do better. Let's go. Now, keep going with the feathers.
How's that?
Keep it going. But now, see, you're doing it upside down. See, the feather, that's okay. Leave it alone, though. It'll be good. Your feathers the yellow has to be in the back. You did the first one right. But it'll still work. Keep it going. We got several to go.
Like this?
See? Now let's turn back around this way. Put the white on the chocolate. Honey, keep going. We got to get this before it gets hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It don't make any difference. They're all going to taste the same, though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the important thing. Now, we need eyes. All right, now put it right in the middle of the white into the corn. See right there? And then that'll be his beak right there. Are you got it?
What if I make it look like Cookie Monster?
Yeah. This one has going to be a little crooked, with a crooked eye. That's okay.
Yeah, that's good.
That'll work. That's his beak.
Hey, If you want to make it look beautiful, just put your mind to it.
That's exactly right. And little things, little upsets don't mean nothing, do they?
See, just like that.
Yeah. A beak. And we're doing good now. Mm-hmm. Let's see, we got another beak. Beak. Beak.
You can do whatever type of M&Ms you want. So, right now we have peanut butter.
That's because Gaga picked up the wrong ones.
Is it?
Hey, we did it. Let's show everybody. Our turkeys. Hey, this one only has one eye.
Oh.
Better put two eyes.
Well, rate our turkeys in the comments.
Yeah. Well, that's really cute. See how easy it was for a little boy to make with his Gaga? We're going to keep on making a few things, but we thought we'd show you one. We'll see you soon. Take care of yourself and remember the joy. And be thankful we have grandchildren. I've got 3 great-grandchildren, and I've got 3 I got 3 grandchildren, 3 great-grandchildren. And I'm a great-grandma. See you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye, dears.